This 2024 Grand Design Reflection 150,270 BN is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 29 feet 11 inches in length and features a River Rock interior, sleeps 2, leveling jacks, air conditioning, oven, LP detector, TV, microwave, refrigerator, carbon monoxide detector, awning, spare tire kit, and 55 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bath, front bedroom, front dinette, front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Reflection 150,270 BN is 7,876 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.